So you know that the global acceptance of Ayurveda is very high now. World Health Organization has established its first outpost outside Geneva in India, in Gujarat, as a global center for traditional medicine. So we have all the modern investigation facilities inside the hospital. This is a patient education area. And the treatment cost will be not even $5 for the if you do Panchkarma.
In the heat modalities, we have various Sweta karmas, the steam generating therapies, sweating therapies, sudation therapies. So it will be applied like this.
Different medicine powders are added to it. We add the turmeric.
What is alcohol? What amount of alcohol we should take? Alcoholism means excessive and improper consumption of alcohol against law. Have a mental property, rajasic or tamasic type. That means he already excited person, he already a lazy person. If he is taking alcohol, excessive amount of alcohol, then that alcohol reaches the site of intellect in the mind that affects sensory and motor functions and causing the mental disturbances.
Always alcohol is many times used for enhancing the appetite of any individual. So in Ayurveda the term Hriday confines to this part, from palate to skull. In between there is a brain. So that is the effect caused by alcohol more on the brain itself.
Yes, for me always it's a very, very special moment if I'm coming here to all the Institute of Ayurveda. And thank you that you give me the reason to come here for 3 days.
It is our pleasure to be here. And yes, we were the first and to sign an MOU with All India Institute of Ayurveda. That was really something special. So today also we had a wonderful session on the Patrapita Sweta and Upanaha Sweta. I think you enjoyed and learned from their practical demonstration. Thank you.
So knowing each other's language and the culture is the first thing we have to do.
As you are all having a basic understanding of Agni, and we readily correlate Agni to appetite, to our digestion and metabolism. Whatever intake we are having, the result of that intake will depend on the Agni. Physical fire, it is not a physical fire, but it is a biochemical fire. Before diving into the Hashimoto thyroiditis, what is immunity and how all the diseases occurs due to the imbalance in the immune status of the body.
So we should respect our Agni, we should respect our food timings, and we should respect a quantity that our body needs, or not our mind or not our taste buds, but our Agni, that is our digestive capacity.
It is a moong dal chila, that is kind of a pancake prepared from green gram, turmeric, cumin seeds, asafoetida, etc.
As you know that milk is itself considered as a diet.
Syndrome. Many times we say that different syndromes are there. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Syndrome is
many symptoms.
it's a group of many conditions, many diseases.
We can discuss it. That is tasyanna pachyate dukkham, means functional dyspepsia actually.
So we started this COVID war, and this is what I coined, and now this is the tagline of All India Institute: care with compassion. These are some kits which has all these simple medicines, since it looks like this. It had all the advices on the side, how to take in 2 languages, the local language and English, and it gets simple medicines inside.
Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shanti Rupena Sanskita. Namaste. Thank you. Namaste.
Actually, the IBS, which is the irritable bowel syndrome, it is not a single disease. Okay? That is why the term syndrome is given. Sign and symptoms means most of the times the patients present with us with a history of diarrhea, sometimes intermittent constipation.
Either it is somatic disease, either it is a physical disease, or it is a metabolic disorder, maybe diabetes, hypertension, irritable bowel syndrome, psoriasis, any sort of, even pimples. So whenever we are in the stress, we try to cope up, we try to work hard again. So then again the adaptive response, or if the ego is not functioning properly, then again there will be a psychological imbalance.
So this Sanskrit quotation means, the meaning is that there should not be the sorrow. No one should get any unpleasant feeling, and everyone should be happy, healthy, peaceful and calm. To remain steady, healthy with yourself is svastha. So that is the well-being. The definition itself says that you are with yourself. Your mind, body, soul is in the harmony and the outcome is the health.